We are doing an indoor walking workout today. So all you need is a comfortable pair of shoes and a little bit of space. So we are going to start standing just with a walking in place. So we are gonna get some really fun moves today. We're gonna get your heart rate up and we're gonna do it here inside. So this is great if you ever don't want to get outside for those walks, if you just want to switch things up a little bit, you want to find a way to get your heart rate up and have a little fun. So I am simply walking in place here. I don't want you to think too much about it. I do want you to start though to get that arm swing going. Okay, do you notice what my arms are doing here? I want you to exaggerate that a little bit. So from a physical therapy perspective, from a gait perspective, how we walk, our arm swing is actually really important and it helps get that natural rotation in the spine and down into the pelvis a little bit. So I want you to, like I said, exaggerate that just a bit, okay? Not only will it help you get a little more of a workout, but it actually will really help you from a physical perspective here, okay? So we're walking in place. Now, what we're gonna do is walk forward, okay? So I am just using my mat as my guide. But if you don't have a mat, you can just be doing this on your carpet, completely fine. And just kind of have an idea of how many steps you're gonna take, okay? 5, 6, 7 forward, and then the same amount back. I'm continuing with that arm swing, and I'm just giving my foot that little tap when I get to the front and the back, okay? Now, we can add to this. So if you would like a little more work and warm up, I want you to get low. See that? So I almost got into this little squat position. And I'm going forward and back here, keeping myself low. So that's your option if you want to get a little more work into those leg muscles. Okay. So I'll be honest, the first time I thought about filming an indoor walking workout, which I did for my unlimited group, some of you there will remember that. It's a great workout. But when I first thought about it, I thought, that sounds kind of boring. To be honest, I'd rather be outside walking. I can't just walk in place for 30 minutes. And you guys, it was so fun. It was so fun. It was a great workout. And it was such a good reminder to me that anything, any kind of movement can be fun, can be motivational, can be inspirational if we simply let ourselves be a little creative and a little curious. So I highly recommend getting through it, letting your heart rate get up in those times when you don't want to get outside. Okay, good. Come back to the middle. So we're back to walking in place. Now what we're gonna do is step out and in. I'll show you what that looks like. So I'm gonna go out, out, in. Right, left, left. My arms are still moving, okay? If balance is an issue for you, you can have a chair or the kitchen counter in front of you to do some of this, okay? Eventually, I'd love for you to work up and practice not using it, but it's there for you if you need it. Okay, other leg. So I'm gonna go left, right. Out, out, in. Big step, in. Nice. And you don't need a mat for this. You probably already figured that out. Carpet is great. Tile is great. Whatever's comfortable for you. Okay. 2 more rounds here. Nice. Back to center. And we're just going to go back to walking. So now I want you to start to get those knees up a little higher, okay? High. And here, have you noticed what's happening to my arms? I have an even bigger arm swing going on. So I'm letting my arms swing as I get those knees up, Nice. We'll go here for another minute or so. So what we're trying to do with this indoor walking workout is get our heart rate up to a manageable place where we can keep it there throughout the workout. Okay. This can also be used as a great warm-up to like a little bit of Pilates or a little bit of weights, right? You can do it a few times through for a full workout. You can use it in whatever way you need. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Back to center. Okay. So we're going to sidestep again, but I'm going to make my way over to my left. And what I'm going to do, step, 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 all the way to end, other way. Okay? And I'm breathing this whole time. So here also, you can get lower. See this? So I've bent my knees to get into this kind of low squat position. Your choice. And I find when I get low like this, I tend to want to bring my hands to my waist, and that's completely fine if you're more comfortable there, okay? So I'll tell you already, I feel my buns working. And remember, you leave behind any piece of this that doesn't work for you, right? You go back to the previous part, or you just go back to walking in place. Let your breath kind of regulate. We are getting that heart rate up. Your respiration level will go up. Nothing wrong with that. But what I mean by regulated is feel like you're still in control of it. Nice. Couple more rounds here. I know we're working balance a lot here too. You don't have to go fast. Okay, you can go real slow. Last time, down, and I'm gonna go back to even myself out. Nice job, and then I'm just right back to walking in place. Okay, let's come back to center. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. Do it again. Nice job. So now what I'm going to do is bring my heel back. Okay. So my heel, it's almost like I'm trying to kick myself. So just as much as, again, you can. All right. This is another one that might be great to hold on to a chair or the kitchen counter and just work here, right? So this would be the variation. Slower with the knee bends. Get myself back in rhythm. I always lose the rhythm of my arms. Nice. So we're going to keep going here and really work on getting that foot up and feeling like what we're doing here is using the hamstrings more. We've got hamstrings and glutes working a little more. So really feel kind of that squeeze, that power from the back of the leg. Nice job. Okay, just back to your walking. Good job. One more. Arms sweep up. Inhale. Exhale, arms down. Do it again. Nice job. That was great. So like I said, you can combine this with another workout. You can do this 2 times through, and I hope it serves to get your heart rate up and let you have a little fun. I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please like, comment, and subscribe to be notified when I have new videos that come out. You can find more, including my exclusive unlimited community with full-length workouts, a workout calendar, recipes, and more over at jessicavalantpilates.com. Join our unlimited program. I would love to see you there.